Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Indy EVO off and removing both earbuds. This prevents shorting and preserves settings. Once done, lay them on a soft cloth and inspect the hinge and serial sticker so you know top from bottom. Make sure to gather a small Phillips screwdriver and a plastic spudger. Metal tools will scratch the case. Begin at the seam under the lid, insert the spudger gently and pry in one spot. You want to separate clips, not warp plastic. Once clips begin to release, move slowly around the case. Release each clip one at a time so tension is even and plastic doesn't snap. You'll likely find small Phillips screws to remove. Keep them organized and photographed for reassembly. After screws, lift the top cover slightly and look for ribbon cables or a battery connector. Use the spudger to flip the latch and withdraw connectors, because pulling them can tear the ribbon. These steps expose the PCB and charging contacts for component access. To finish, reseat all ribbon cables and the battery connector. Do a quick power test with the case open so you can fix issues without stripping clips again. Once confirmed, realign the shell, press clips back in sequence, and reinstall screws to their original locations. This ensures even pressure and proper hinge function. If the case won't power or charge, double-check the battery connector and nearby solder joints. Resolder cold joints.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.